those numbers are in seconds, and you just click on the one that you'd like the transitions to be, and we'll click on that. So it goes a lot quicker, and then goes to the next video there. So that's the editing options that you have for creating the videos. Now that we have all our elements and we're happy with our transitions and our text, we can go to the next step and upload our video to YouTube. With Windows Live Movie Maker, we need to be logged into our Windows Live account. Once again, this is similar to a Gmail account, and the first time that you try to set up YouTube, it will ask you to create a Windows Live account. It's free, it's just the way Windows do their stuff in accessing the program. So I can see here that I'm already logged in, and that means that this panel is now active, and I can click on YouTube, and that will bring up a selection box for choosing the size of the video that we want our video to appear on screen. Now, mostly for YouTube, it's 640 by 360, and those numbers relate to the number of pixels, which is actually the little dots that make up the image, at 640 pixels wide by 360 pixels high. And that's also called a 16 by 9 or widescreen screen that you can see over here, which is how our new TVs and plasmas and LCD screens are all about. So we click on that one, and then the next thing that we should see is the login box for our YouTube account. See there, it's thinking about what it needs to do, and here we have our login box for YouTube. So you can see there we have our username, and that will be the email that you use to set up your Gmail account. I'm just typing in my password here, just make sure I did that right, and sign in. And now what will happen is it brings up a box to put in our information. Now the title is something that is very important. The title, description and tags are what Google uses to help searchers find your video and in turn link back to your website. So we need to make our movie title something very specific and something keyword focused. So it might be Italian restaurant in Rockingham, for example. So when people are typing in their search engine in Google for Italian restaurant in Rockingham, Google will find this video and it will see it as Italian restaurant in Rockingham, having exactly the same words that were typed into the search query. Now here, what we need to do, and this is very important, is we actually need to put in http:// and then our domain name. Okay, so you'd put in your website address there as the very first thing. And then the HTTP, I'll just go back a step. The HTTP is just techie talk for making this a link, so that when it appears on a web page, people can click on it and it will go directly straight back to your website. Now you might have a special promotion page that you're putting this video or you're linking this video to. So it could be summer promo. So that's / summer promo. And so that when people link back to your domain name, they're going to go to a summer promotion page. And that, you know, in the restaurant it could be vouchers, it could be discount vouchers, or the special menu for summer, for example. Tags, once again, we need to put in our location, very important. Italian restaurant, summer, it could be outdoor dining. So any of these combinations of tags might be used in search results, and it's just very important that you get these right. When you've actually uploaded your video, you can go into your YouTube account and actually edit these and add more descriptions. So underneath here we'd actually tell the viewer more about what this video is for and how you'd be promoting a certain thing. So in this case, Italian restaurant in summer. But to actually upload the video, we just need that first description line, and that should be your website address or your URL. Now we come down here to select category, and you can certainly choose from those, but generally news and politics is something that Google looks for most of the time, okay, because they see that as being something that is newsworthy and current and fresh content. If you're just doing a test before you want to send it to the world, just click on private, and then you'll only be able to view it, or people that you give an email address to, up to 25 people. You can also change that once it's uploaded. So if you want to make it private, you can always make it public once it is uploaded. For now, we're going to keep it public, and we just click publish. And then, okay, you can see there, one or more tags exceeded the maximum allowable length. So I've got too many tags in there. So we'll just get one of those. Oh, maybe it's Rockingham. I'll just delete that for the time being, and we'll see if that gets us out. Nope. Okay, just for the sake of the exercise, I'm going to make that simple and publish. Now, the first step of the process is to actually save the movie. And Windows saves that to your computer, then it uploads to YouTube. And I'll just pause the video now while this is happening and come back when the upload processes start. And you can see here that we're publishing now to YouTube. It has the little tag there saying publishing, and this will take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. And once that's done, it will bring up another alert box, and I'll show you that when that happens. Okay, our upload to YouTube has been completed. We can't quite view it right now because YouTube needs to actually process the video and place it on our YouTube account. So while it's doing its number crunching, you can see there that we have it there. We can actually watch online, but if we click there, it will say come back in a few minutes. We can open the folder now where our video is saved. So let's just do that. And you can see here that we have our movie in our favorites folder, Italian restaurant in Rockingham. What I would do is right click here, and I'd copy, and I'd come to our documents folder, and I'd make up a new folder called Video Masters, and double click there to open it, and then paste, and I just right clicked there with my mouse, paste the actual movie. That way it's nice and easy for you to find. You can just come to Documents, Videos and Video Masters, and you've always got all your saved clips. And then you can upload them to other video sharing sites, so you'll always know where to go to find your actually finished videos ready to go. Now I'm going to give it a few minutes to upload. Then in the next video we'll come back and I'll show you how you can actually share the video by email or by embedding it onto your website, and how you can actually edit that information that we spoke about before. Thanks for watching.